Welcome to another upgrade of MrLopezClasses.com. Yes, today I am going to refresh what happened with our academy, the Marine Academy, MrLopezClasses.com. It's growing faster every day with more and more products. And this is basically because you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your fidelity with my channel. And I am working hard, too hard, in order to create new products. For that reason, today we are going to introduce a new product in MrLopezClasses.com. This is the remote assistance or remote troubleshooting. This is basically because I receive a lot of emails, a lot of text messages, a lot of WhatsApps, a lot of Facebook, asking questions every day. Some questions I can help easily. Other questions probably we need a video conference. And other questions I need visit the boat. In some cases, it's not possible solve the question remotely. In that case, I need send a technician, or if you prefer, I need visit the boat. But this is not possible in the majority of the cases because you live in other country, and that's difficult. Okay. Remember, we are going to refresh quickly our institute, the Marine Institute. We have our website, www.mrlopezclasses.com. You enter in the website and you have different options. Videos, books, courses, posters, and now remote assistance or remote troubleshooting. Remember, we have 11 or 12 books. We have the books of Intro to Marine. All the books, remember, for example, that one, Intro, all the books are available in a PDF form or in a hard copy. The majority of the people prefer the hard copy because it's good to have the book in hard copy. But some people love it, the PDF form. The PDF form is excellent because in the PDF form, when you check the book, the episodes related with each chapters are included for free. For free! Yeah. In the PDF form, you have the episodes for the rest of your life in your pocket. This is nice. This is good. Okay? You can buy the books in that option. You select the product in PDF form or in a hard copy, and you buy the book. Or you can buy separate episodes. No, I am only interested in the episode where Mr. Lopez designed the harness for a diesel engine. You remember that wonderful video? When I designed the harness completely and I connect the sensor, the gauge, the ignition switch, everything. That wonderful video? Yeah. I want one specific video. There are hundreds of videos. You can buy the video. You select the option videos, and you go to the book, and you select the video, the chapter, and at the end, you buy the episode. The prices of the episode is around $6. It's not expensive, and you have great episodes if you want to buy the episode. Or if you want to enroll in a course, you select the option courses, okay, and you select the course of your preference, and you enroll in the course. Remember, as soon as you enroll in the course, you receive an invitation to be part of our platform. Yeah, you receive the invitation and you receive the roadmap, the syllabus of the classes. When you receive the roadmap, you are ready to start to see the videos, the laboratories, to submit the quizzes. Remember, you have quizzes and exams. And at the end, if you have a passing grade superior to 82 or 83%, you receive the diploma. This is the courses. I have 11 or 12 books and 12 courses. Yeah, remember, we're going to refresh quickly the books. Intro, the books of electrical, the electricity book, the electricity handbook, the marine electronics book, other wonderful book, And also we have the book of auxiliary systems. We have the book of air conditioned systems, the book of gasoline engines, the book of transmissions, the book of diesel engines, the book of generators, the book of corrosion, and the book of composite materials. And of course, we have one course per each book. That's wonderful. The program is complete. And now we have remote assistance. It's nice because in some cases I can help to solve the problem easily. In some cases we need to create a video conference in order to check with the camera, and in between you and me we solve the problem. What is the process? I recommend, if you want that option, remote assistance, I recommend that you write the problem for free in this form. You ask to me the question, I analyze the question, and I respond if it's possible that in a conference of 1 hour or 2 hours, that's it, we solve that problem together with my help. Or I respond that this is not possible to solve it remotely. You need a technical assistance in person in your boat. Okay, if I check the question, I verify, I decide that it's possible, remote assistance, you enter in my website in the option remote assistance, and you have the calendar, my calendar. It's simple. You select the hour of your preference, what day and what hour is good for you. Immediately, I receive an information and I return an email. In the email, I send the link for the conference, and that's it. The conference will be by Zoom, and we have the conference, 1 hour of a conference, and we are ready to start to solve the problem in between you and me. Like this situation some days ago with one of my students in New York. It's a problem with the starboard engine, gasoline engine, Crusader. The engine no start, and we go step by step, step by step. That's a wonderful, wonderful remote assistance. Other day we did with the other students assistance to identify problems in the fuel tank, and we found it, the problem where the water penetrates the fuel tank, corrosion in the cap where you fill the fuel, and we solved the problem together in 1 hour. Okay, it's nice because you can solve the problems with my assistance in person, you and me. We enjoyed those great moments, and it's good for you, good for me. I love teach. This is my passion. I am dedicated to do my hobby. My passion is teach, and I am happy teaching for you. Okay, guys, we have more products. It's simple. In my web page, you select the option remote assistance or remote troubleshooting, and you follow the process. You book the conference, you pay the conference, and we are ready to start our remote diagnosis for 1 hour or 2 hours, depend on the problem, depend on the situation. I am happy because with this product you have more assistance and a professional assistance. Thank you, guys. See you then.